Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am filming a day in the life, maybe slash what I eat in a day today. We'll see what happens. But I am gonna make breakfast real quick, so let's see what I get into. I got this lion's mane yesterday from Whole Foods. My cousin said he really loves it, so he made me get it, and I'm gonna try sauteing it right now. So I cut them up and I'm gonna put them in the pan right now. And I'm going to eat these strawberries while I cook. These strawberries are called roseberries, and they're really sweet. I got them at Whole Foods as well. I'm also gonna have some eggs and this turkey bacon. This is the Whole Foods brand. So I flipped these over and they're browning pretty nicely. I just did a couple because I don't know if I like them. I've never had them before, so we'll see. Okay, so right off the bat, the mushrooms, they smell so good. So I think I am going to like them. I'm gonna add some butter and Himalayan pink salt right now to them as well. You guys can add black pepper or any seasoning that you like. I'm just not doing black pepper because I have reflux, so I just do butter and salt. Okay, so now I'm going to make some of this turkey bacon. Just gonna put it in the same pan. All right, I'm gonna taste the mushroom, or lion's mane, whatever it's called. Oh my God, it's so good. So I recommend it. Do try this. It is delicious if you like mushrooms. I actually really enjoyed it. Okay, so my breakfast presentation is not great today, but it's gonna be delicious, so let's try it. I'm gonna try another mushroom. Oh my God, so good. Some egg, which I didn't even really season the egg because the turkey bacon is salty already, so that's enough. I just put the butter in the pan and put the egg in. I think the butter might be salted as well. I'm not sure which one I got. So yeah, it's really good. Turkey bacon, really good. I hadn't tried this brand of turkey bacon before, but I like it.
Alright, so right now, Talon is stretching out her hip. And this takes a while. This is actually one of her faster ones. And it's because she's on camera. But we back in action. Loose. Alright, next up, the world's greatest stretch. Boom. So you take a forward lunge, knee on the ground, elbow same side goes down, then you open up.
I cracked my knee.
Take it slow there. Boom, get a nice stretch in your hip. And then open up big. Look over there though. Yeah, there you go. Get yeah, you gotta open up.
My head doesn't turn that way.
Get a deeper stretch. Boom. There we go. Alright. Talon's got heel sprints.
Sideways. Okay, I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
Oh my God.
Let's call it a day.
Alright. Let's go.
Used to running.
Alright, come on, over there. To that pole. You still got two more. Just knock it out. That's all you gotta do. All right, go. There you go. I'm coming in hot. Huh?
Did you tell that guy to say that?
What did it say?
Like, good job.
That's what he said to you?
Yeah.
Duh. Real, not real. Real, recognize real. Good. 1, 2, 3. Coming in hot. Yeah. Let's go.
I stink.
But I didn't say nothing about it. So as long as I don't say nothing, we good. Lower. Push it, girl. Don't stop till you get to that blue mat. Don't stop till you get to the blue mat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ah! Steps away. That's all. I didn't have to go. I would have took steps.
Okay, so I took a shower after boxing and now I am at my aunt's house. My cousin has made me some salmon and some more lion's mane and also a strawberry bubbly drink. This is the strawberry bubbly salmon, lion's mane, some gyozas. I don't know what this is. Green beans. What is this? Sauce.
I don't know.
Okay, I don't know sauce.
I put I don't have any heavy whipping cream, so I put cream cheese, butter, lemon, and garlic powder.
Okay. So this is the salmon. I'm gonna try it. Are we supposed to put the sauce on? Wontons. Okay, this is my dish.
Thanks.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Well, salad. No, thank you.
Good luck.
Quiet on the set.
No, raw dishes.
Quiet on the set. This is the salmon. I'm gonna try it. You did a good job. So the salad is super yummy. Then I'm gonna try this green bean thing that my aunt made. Also yummy. Oops, the lion's mane. You put butter in here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Ghee butter.
Delicious. This is how it happened.
I'm gonna bring my lips closer and closer to yours.
No!
And if you are firm or
Oh my god.
absolutely on,
Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I had a long and productive day. Pretty tired. I'm going to edit and I will see you guys in my next video.